Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we have something very special for you guys. This is the new HyperX Alloy FPS RGB. It's a mouthful. HyperX Alloy FPS RGB. And the reason why this is special is for two reasons. It came out the other day, so it's been about a week that it came out, and thankfully I was able to get my hands on these. And the second thing is this uses the Silver Speed Kailh switches. So this is the only keyboard in this format, this configuration, that has the Silver Speed Kailh. And this is the box right here. HyperX Alloy FPS RGB. And as you can see right here, Silver Speed. Let's see what it says. The difference is that the Silver Speed mechanical switch actuation, the actuation point is 1.1 millimeters. Travel distance 3.5 millimeters. Lifespan 70 million keystrokes. Operating force 40 grams versus 45, which is usually what most standard mechanical switches have. And as you can see, it's a total backlit keyboard with dynamic RGB lighting, as you can see right here. And it is a very beautiful keyboard. It's sturdy, very heavy, made out of, what is this, aluminum, steel? What does it say? Solid steel frame. No wonder. It's very heavy. I mean, you're not gonna move this anywhere. And it's reminding me of the Carbon 513 from Logitech. It's very similar to that. And just like that keyboard, it's minimal. It has 3 functions, one for preset lighting. Of course, you could change that through the software. And then you have this one, which has the WASD, which is white. And it's very bright. I mean, you could control the brightness through function up and down, off. I don't know if this video can give it much credit on how bright this keyboard really is. And then you have your play, skip, sound, volume up, down, and gaming mode, which disables. And it has the numlock key, the caps key, and the gaming mode key. So you just, yep, gaming, yep. So all of these makes for a great gaming keyboard, but the real reason why I wanted to show you guys this keyboard is this Silver Speed Kailh switch. And like I said, for some reason it's hard to find reviews on these. So what does it do? Well, first of all, the travel is much shorter, for sure. It sounds like a linear keyboard, like a Cherry X linear. And I think the special thing about this keyboard is that you can actually register it without going all the way through. So let me demonstrate here. If I just type like that, everything is being typed and captured. And that's not going all the way down, just the slightest little movements. You could tell how fast this can be. So if you're gaming, and you're, let me just go through into here. But if you're going really fast here, everything will be registered. I mean, you don't have to go all the way down. You just, even the space bar, even if you go like this, it's moving. So I think that's what's special. And the space bar has this very nice feel. I actually like this a lot. If you want to be quick, you're not going to get quicker than this. You're going to be jumping faster than anyone in the game. And of course, you can go all the way down. Of course, no one does that in a game. But so far all my keys have been registering fine. They're quick. One thing that I've been trying to do this afternoon is type on these, and to be honest, I'm not sure. I've been typing on it, and because it registers even slow, slight touches like that, I've been making a lot of mistakes, and I don't know if that's a thing that I just have to practice, although I wish I didn't have to practice as much. But yeah, that's one thing that I'm kind of deliberating if it's a keeper. But if you're a gamer and you've been gaming with this, I doubt you're going to get a faster switch, especially in the Kailh format. So I really think if you're a gamer and want speed, this is a keyboard you have to check out. HyperX did a great job. They do a great job with their other keyboards. I wish there was a similar setup with Cherry MX Red. Those are one of my favorite switches, along with blue. And it's unfortunate that at this time, that's the only one that they have in RGB in this format. They only have the silver speed Kailh keys. So I'm sure in the future they'll definitely create something like this, but as for now, this is all we have. For those who like silver speed, who wanna get the fastest reactions from their gaming, I think this is gonna be a great keyboard. The price is lower than Carbon 513. The price is pretty good. This keyboard is built solid. One thing to note is these keycaps. They're plastic. They're nice. They're kind of matte plastic, but they do capture a lot of your oils. So if you are eating, or if you're, eating some potato chips while gaming or typing, it's gonna get all over these keys, and I had to wipe them down a few times already. So that's one bad thing about these, but that's the case with most keyboards these days anyways. So give it a shot. It's in your stores now. It's brand new. I don't know anyone else who has this. It's not even in the stores, meaning you have to order it and they'll deliver it. But this might be your next favorite keyboard. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I'll try to get you guys some more reviews. And once again, have a good day. Bye.